Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple's next big launch is still months away, but the iPhone 17 Pro has already become the center of multiple leaks and rumors. From design tweaks to new features, there's been no shortage of speculation. Now, fresh information has emerged, this time revealing a potential new color variant for the iPhone 17 Pro. According to tipster Mage & Boo, Apple is likely to introduce a new sky blue color option for its upcoming Pro iPhone model. This shade was recently seen on the M4 MacBook Air that launched in India last month, priced at $1,170. The report mentions that Apple is currently testing multiple color options in its iPhone 17 Pro prototypes, but sky blue appears to be the frontrunner so far. If true, this could mean a refreshing new color choice for buyers later this year. In addition to sky blue, Apple is also considering two other colors, titanium green and titanium purple, for the iPhone 17 Pro. These color variants may be introduced as part of Apple's ongoing push to offer unique finishes that complement the premium feel of the iPhone Pro lineup. If the new colors are finalized, it's possible that one of the existing shades, either natural titanium or desert titanium, might be discontinued. However, the classic white and black colors are expected to stay, as they've consistently been part of the Pro models. Based on recent leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to come with a 6.3-inch display and be powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process. On the camera front, the iPhone 17 Pro could feature a triple lens setup, including a 48-megapixel primary sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel 5x tetraprism periscope telephoto lens. For selfies, users might get a 24-megapixel front camera. Other expected features include 35W fast charging, improved thermal management, and support for 8K video recording. Apple is also likely to use its own Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chips in the new iPhones, marking a shift towards more in-house components. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to come with iOS 19 out of the box, with new Apple Intelligence features tipped to be revealed at WWDC 2025 in June. The iPhone 17 Pro Max variant is rumored to come with a larger 6.9-inch display like the 16 Pro Max and enhanced cooling with vapor chamber tech and graphite sheets. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.